Hi, my name is Enes Inke from Huawei Developers, and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. Let's get started. What are interstitial ads? They are full-page ads that cover the app's interface. Such ads are displayed in a way that does not affect the user experience when the user starts, pauses, or exits an application. Interstitial ads can be displayed in the app in the form of videos or images. What conditions we must meet before we start integrating interstitial ads? Well, first, we will establish all the development environment requirements. Then, we need to conclude all the necessary steps in the App Gallery console side. Afterwards, we will need to integrate the Huawei Mobile Services Core SDK, followed by the necessary permissions. The next step is adding AdsKit dependency in the Dependencies block. You can find the latest version on the Huawei Developer official website. Let's look at how to use interstitial ads in your project on Android Studio. First, open the build Gradle file in the app directory. Add build dependencies in the Dependencies block. To call the capabilities of AdsKit, you must apply for some permissions like network state and the Wi-Fi state in the Android manifest file of your app. Now, you can initialize the Ads SDK in your application class or your main activity. Create a class and extend it from the application class. Override the onCreate method. Initialize the HWAds method. Also, don't forget to add the application class name in the manifest file. Now, our preparations are done. We can proceed with integrating interstitial ads. Firstly, how do we create an interstitial ad? To create an interstitial ad, we have to simply create an interstitial ad object and use the setAdID method of the interstitial ad class in order to set a test ad unit ID in our activity code file. After we have created an interstitial ad object, we can now load it using the loadAd method of interstitial ad. For this, call the loadAd method of the interstitial ad class to load an ad. We can control what to do in cases such as opening, loading, clicking on the ad, or getting an error when the ad fails to load. We need to use the setAdListener method of the interstitial ad object to add the ad listener that listens for these ad movements and the methods in the ad listener to track the ad movements. You can call the setAdListener method of the interstitial ad class to add AdListener for the interstitial ad object. In order to display the ad, call the isLoaded method to confirm that the ad has been loaded, and call the show method of the interstitial ad object. When testing interstitials, you can use the custom test ad unit IDs to load test ads. This prevents invalid ad clicks during the testing. Test ad unit IDs are only used to enable functionality. Before publishing your app, click Start Now after accessing the official website of Huawei Ads Publisher service. Then, after logging into Huawei Ads Publisher console, apply for the official name unit ID and replace the test ad unit with the official one. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.